Hello, in front of me I have Huawei Watch Fit 2 and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here we have the alarm icon. Tap on it, and now we can tap on this Add Alarm button to add the alarm. And here we can set the time for when the alarm should go off. So I'd set it to something like maybe 10:30 p.m. like this. Then tap next, and now we can select the days on which the alarm is gonna be active. So I'm gonna tap on certain days like that, and then tap on OK. And as you can see, now we have our alarm. We can enable it or disable it. We can add more alarms like that, and we can also edit the alarms. So basically we can tap on one, and here we can change the time again. We can change the days on which it's gonna be active, and we have the last option, name, but we can't really do anything about it. I'm tapping on it, but nothing happens. Also, you can remove the alarms, so you can tap on delete to remove it like that. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.